Hello, my students. I hope you're all well and doing fun things. And if you're like me, you're baking a lot. So I've talked to you about my best almond shortbread cookies. And when McKenna got home, that was all she wanted. So I just made them, and I was going to video myself making them, and I forgot. But let me just show you really quick. Right here, I have my pan ready to go. And I will attach the recipe. They're so easy and so delicious. So that would be fun. Anyway, if anybody has any questions about any assignments or anything, I am always available, or usually available. Just shoot me a text and I will answer it as soon as I can. I'd love to hear what you guys are doing, how you're filling your time during the virus. And I'm just still waiting for my daughter to get home, hoping that it will be really soon. We're thinking within a week is what the embassy has said, so hoping for that. I know this is a short video. What else could I tell you? Oh, I learned how to make sourdough bread. I swear I gained 10 pounds since being home, but it's been really fun. So enjoy the almond cookie recipe. Let me know if you try it and how it turns out. And remember to do something you love every single day. Stay inside and change the world.